Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Black Magic and Maniology M409 and Bam White. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and here is Black Magic. Now I want you to look at this bottle shot. Look at all those colors, greens, blues, oranges, golds. Stunning, but it looks just black on the nail until you hit those certain lights. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and get to painting this on the nails. I know it doesn't look like much right now, and my swatch photos do not do this justice. The flashes and colors I saw driving in the car rocked my world. Rocked it. So stinking gorgeous. Perfect polish for a fall or Halloween manicure. And I am so excited to finally have some Color Clubs that have the new brush on it. These are way much easier to use, in my opinion. So here we go. I've made a mess. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Clean up Mama's mess because she is a messy girl. Get both sides. There we go. Thank you. All right. Here we go with our second coat. No, third coat. Sorry. Third coat. Because y'all know I normally don't do 3, but I am today because I wanted to really see how this one would do. And I know it just kind of looks like steel or charcoal on the nails, but you guys, I'm in love with this one. I'm going to top it with I&M out the door. I'm going to get it to dry down. Got some playing to do. I'm going to do some Halloween stamping. Just some straight up basic stamping. I'm not going to cry today. I'm just going to behave myself a little bit. So there we go. Beautimous. Gonna cap my free edge here. There we go. Alright, so there's a swatch photo of it on its own. Horrible picture, sorry. Maniology M409. And this one is just, you guys, like I needed more Halloween plates. Couldn't help myself. So, this came out of the, I believe this one came out of the Box of Magic. And, It is a fun one. So I got the blue film off. I'm cleaning it with some acetone. I'm going to be using Bam White from Maniology. This is an old Bundle Monster bottle. You guys just forgive me. And I've got my new Monocle stamper from the Box of Magic. And my little scraper card from that too. So here we go. We're just going to plop these on the nails. Put a little polish on. Give it a good little scrape or two. And pick that image up. Oh, it looks so cute. That is so cute. Got a little piece of tape out. Gonna get some of the excess off because I don't want to clean that up off my skin if I don't have to. Alright. Try to get it lined up. And there it is. These are like balloons with Halloween images. Like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna clean my stamper off on a lint roller. And here we go with some sticky base because I had to use some sticky base because it's just, y'all, I guess I must have waited too long. My polish was not all that, you know, ready for me, I guess. We'll go ahead and put it on this pinky nail too. I started kind of struggle bussing, and I don't know why some of the footage is missing here. You guys know it's always a work in progress with me. Between, you know, memory cards acting up and lighting issues, y'all, I'm just a hot mess over here. But I'm still trying. I'm not giving up. Got some new lights coming. Actually, I got the bulbs already. I am just working on getting the new lamps for them. Praying everything works out and that this all gets better here real soon. So there we go. We got that little image on there. Cleaning my stamper off, and here we go. Gonna get this other straight image. One of them's got like little bats on it, the one that went on my thumb, and I don't know really what's on this one. Maybe it'll come clearer as I look at it. It's little skulls. That's what it is. Little skulls, and I just really think it's cute. So I'm gonna clean up my plate with some acetone. I do apologize for the missed footage. But you guys know I share everything on my channel, even the little bits and bobs that I managed to, you know, hang on to. I just don't know what happened to it. It's just crazy. Just cleaning off my stamping mat. Going over that plate one more time, and then I'm going to wipe with a lint-free wipe. And ta-da! I'm going to go in with the little piece of tape, get some of this excess off my skin real quick. Anything I can get off with the tape means less time playing with the acetone here in just a moment. I'm not going to use any acetone today. Alright, so we're going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. And I love the smudge-free top coat. You know, I love it. It's some good stuff. Get them all coated up here. Yeah, see, there's little skulls. Hard to see, kind of. Alright, gonna break Woody out again. Some tiny little pieces here around the cuticles. Alright, we did. Now I'm gonna top it with my I&M out the door. The smudge-free top coat is water-based, so it will wash off or peel off if you don't do this step. And I'm just going to go ahead and gloss it up, top it off, cap the free edges, all the good things. And I really, really hate that I wasn't able to share better photos of this polish with you, because it's just so pretty. Maybe you can go out online and do a Google search for Color Club Black Magic, and maybe somebody was able to capture the beautiness of this stunning polish. Really, really enjoyed this one. Very, very happy to have it in my collection. There you have it. Here is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.